Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. I have many good news in the near future. Yesterday, I went to the movie theater to watch Wicked. And as a fashion designer, I was mesmerized with the costume, especially with those new sleeves that I think will be very trendy in the near future. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what I will do as a fashion designer if one of my customers asks me for one of them. So let's go! Today we are gonna work for Miss Inch. She will be my customer. I'm gonna start by analyzing a picture of Glinda. It helps me to lower the opacity and draw myself the key lines. I think this sleeve is projecting 2 inches outside and 3/4 inch up. So I'm gonna take my basic sleeve pattern and I'm gonna trace it on my paper. So remember that Miss Inch is a half of scale mannequin. I'm gonna raise 3/4 inch, but it will be in fact 3/8 because I'm working half of it. And I'm gonna find the point with the other piece of the sleeve. So what I'm drawing now is just for a reference. I'm going from this point and then I'm going down 2 inches and I'm gonna make a new arc. And I'm gonna use my tracing paper to just draw it. And something that I didn't mark in here was the center line, which is very important. This is the extra piece. The sleeve have to extend itself. And I'm gonna measure the whole arc at the shoulder sides. Then I'm gonna mark parallel lines all along and I'm gonna slash all of them, leaving just a tiny bit without cutting. And then I'm gonna spread those pieces. If you are hearing my dog, I'm so sorry. He's very vocal. So I'm spreading those pieces until this bottom part will be the same size as the arc of the top part. This is what I'm looking for. You can use any ruler or whatever, and I have my new pieces. So I'm using my ruler to trace that piece, but it's not looking really good. I think I have to accommodate that and redo it so it looks more like natural and normal like it is now. So I'm gonna just take that moment to hold space to this pattern and the lyrics of Defying Gravity. It's really powerful.
I've seen it, yeah.
So now is the time to cut the sleeve. I'm gonna mark all my notches because when I sew it, I have to make sure that they match. I'm noticing with this picture that is a little bit work because the lines were a little bit different in the movie. I really pay a lot of attention to that. But it's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna make my lines here diagonal. So, just to make it a little bit similar, but don't worry about that. And I noticed as well, I don't know how to show you because the picture is not right, but it's supposed for you to cut it in this way. But I'm just gonna cut it the other way so you can see better how the other piece will interact with the sleeves. This sleeve has been in the market for around probably a few years now, but they are not still on fashion. And when the fashion comes so slow, then it becomes super popular. This is why I think they will be so trendy in the future. So I have my sleeve done and now I'm gonna try on Miss Inch and it's looking pretty good, but I'm gonna take a picture to see how good it is and I'm gonna compare with the original picture and I can see that it's a little bit bigger. Ariana Grande is so petite. I think that sleeve looks more like the one that Michelle was wearing. So I think instead of 2 inches, I have to make it with 1.5 inch piece. So let's go back to the drawing board. Please let me know in the comment if you want me to make alphabet sleeves. And if you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!